Hi there, it's Ina here and welcome to my art room. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and please push the bell icon so you will receive notification of all my regular uploads. So I want to work on another abstract painting. I have a medium-sized canvas here and this little round paper-covered foam ring. So I add some black gesso to it and then set it aside to dry. Now I apologize for my funny voice today. I have a terrible cold, but I had this idea about using this foam circle in an abstract painting and couldn't stay away from my art room. Here you see me adding some crackle glaze for a little extra texture, and then I am using heavy body acrylic paints and my palette knife, and from here on it is really very easy to follow, nothing fancy, and I will talk to you later on. Enjoy! Now, for a wee moment there, I thought I was done, but then decided to work on it some more. Now, with abstracts especially, it's sometimes hard to know where to stop, but then on the other hand, if I'm not happy with the way it looks, there is no sense for me to call it done. So it's better to go back, work on it some more, and in the end, there's no big risk involved. It is just a canvas and paint. So one thing I didn't like was the big black circle. I felt it was too prominent, so I pulled the paint into it and also added some more colors in smaller strokes. and on until I decided to call it done. And here's my completed piece. Now I like the black border I added just using my paint roller, and I also like the little bit of teal in the background. Now the crackles I tried to create on the ring didn't really come out, so I covered it all in black gesso. Now this was definitely art therapy to make me feel better. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon again. Bye bye for now.